Lyme disease. Most of us have heard about it, but many of us are unaware of the harmful effects that this devastating illness can have on humans. Lyme disease is a complex bacterial infection that can be transmitted by ticks or other bugs that transmit blood or saliva. Unfortunately, a majority of people who contract Lyme disease do not discover the illness early enough to be treated by antibiotics. It isn't until it becomes a chronic, multisystemic infection of viruses, fungi, parasites that people realize that they have it. At this point, the immune system can become severely compromised and require alternative forms of treatment to overcome the disease. Brookfield Health and Wellness understands how complex the treatment of Lyme disease can be, and that is why each of our patients is provided with a personalized approach in regenerating what was out of homeostasis. Cryptolepis by Orthomolecular is fast becoming one of our favorites for treating Lyme symptoms. It helps restore and maintain inflammatory and microbial balance and provides antioxidant support for a high bacterial load. It is often used in conjunction with other products like andrographics, cat's claw, and Japanese knotweed. We must treat the entire body in order to strengthen the body's natural healing abilities, which is exactly what we've been doing here at Brookfield Health and Wellness for the last 10 years.